Hello guys, welcome back to this episode of the Motorized bike. Stay till the end because in this video we're gonna drive it. If you haven't seen the last video about the Motorized bike, make sure you go watch that. It's somewhere here in the corner. I don't know which way it's. You'll see it. Like I said in the previous episode, the drive sprocket was the wrong one. At least that's what I thought. But today I got a new chain and it fits both the drive sprocket and the back sprocket. So we'll just go ahead and install the chain, fill up the fuel tank, and then we can go and have a ride. So this week I drove the bike every single day. I think I drove 15 to 20 kilometers already, and now me and my sister are going to a nearby abandoned bridge to take some cinematics and maybe some drive-bys. So I really do suggest you guys picking up a bike like this. It's a lot of fun and it's really easy. Even if you don't know a whole lot of mechanical stuff, there are thousands of tutorials out on YouTube. So that makes it really easy to build a bike like this. This was the end of the video. I hope I'll see you next week. So like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, and the next video is of course about the shell build.